A very good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about Vedic culture in North India and Megalithic culture in South India. Book back exercise. First Roman letter. Choose the correct answers. First question. Aryans first settled in dash religion. They give the options: Punjab, Middle Gangetic, Kashmir, Northeast. What is the correct answer? Punjab. And second one. Aryans came from. What is the option they given? China, North Asia, Central Asia, Europe. What is the correct answer? Central Asia. Our national motto Satyame Jayade is taken from. They are given the options Brahmana, Aryanka, Veda, Upanishads. What is the correct answer? Upanishads. The question 4. What was the ratio of the land revenue collected during the Vedic period? 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 9. The correct answer is 1 by 6. Match the second Roman letter, match the statement with the reason, tick the apparative answer. First question, assertion, the Vedic age is evidenced by good number of the text and adequate amount of the material evidence. The reason, Shruti comprise the Vedas, the Brahmanas and the Aryankas and the Upanishads. So they giving the statement, their correct reason they want to give. So the first statement is false, but the second one is true. So answer is D. Second one, statement 1. Perplus mentioned the steel imported in Rome from peninsular India was subjected to duty in the port of the Alexandria. The statement 2. Evidence of the iron smelting has come to light at Poyampalli. So both the statements will be correct. So the answer is C. Third one, which is a statement is not correct in the Vedic society. First one, a widow would remarry is correct. The child marriage was in practice. That time the child marriage will be allowed is not. So the second statement is wrong. Father property was inherited by his son. So only allowed to father property allowed to the son only. Sati was unknown. So the second answer only wrong. And fourth one, which is the correct ascending order of the Rig Vedic society? First, option first, Guru, Grama, Kula, Vish, Rashtra and Jana. Second one, Gula, Grama, Vish, Jana, Rashtra. Third one, Rashtra, Jana, Grama, Kula, Vish. Fourth one, Jana, Grama, Kula, Vish, Rashtra. Which is the correct? First order, first one is the Kula, Grama, Vish, Jana and Rashtra. So the B is the correct answer. Next one, Roman letter, third Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First question, Vedic culture was in nature dash. The answer is kingship. Is understood? Kingship. They giving the wrong, Kingship. Second one, dash was the tax collected from the people in Vedic period. What is the tax they collected that time? Pali. And third one, dash system is an Asian learning method. What is the system of the learning method in the olden days? Gurukula. Fourth one, Adachanallur is in dash district? Thuthukudi. What is the answer? Thuthukudi. And true or false? The Roman artifacts found at various sites provide evidence of the Indo-Roman trade relation. Is correct or wrong? Is correct. It's the true. A hero stone is the memorial stone raised in the remembrance of the honorable death of the hero. Sorry, no, the stones already I will explain. So is correct or wrong? Is that true? The third one, the army chief was called Gramane. Is correct? No, this is a false. Fourth one, the black and red ware pottery become the characteristics of the megalithic period. Is that correct? Yes, true. Evidence for the iron smelting has come to light at Poyampalli. What is the place? Poyampalli. Is it true? Yes. Match the following. The all is correct answer only option will be given. So the answer will be D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Kesade is the ivory dice. Fourth is the tip of the flax. Kodamanal is spindles. Adachanallur is gold ornaments. Next we are going to see about that. Sixth Roman letter, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, name the 4 Vedas. Answer, the 4 Vedas are Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharva. What is that? The 4 Vedas are Rig, Yajur, Sama and Atharva. Question 2, what were the animal domesticated by the Vedic people? What are the animal? Elephant, cow, goat, sheep and horse. Third one, what do you know about the megalithic? The term megalithic is derived from the Greek Mega means great and litho means stone. Using the big stone slabs built upon the places of the burial is known as megalith. Understood, student? Yes. And fourth one, what are the dolmens? Dolmens are megalithic tomb. They are made of two or more upright stone with a single stone lying across the burial site. Once again I will reply. Dolmens are, what is that? Megalithic tombs. They are made of two or more upright stone with a single stone lying across the burial site. Question 5, what are the urns? Urns are large pottery jars used for burying the dead. Up to this question you are read and come. Next class I will ask question. Thank you, student.